Step 1. Connect to data sources. Start by connecting to the data sources that contain the data you want to analyze. Power BI supports a wide range of data sources, including databases, spreadsheets, and more. You can bring data into Power BI using different connectivity modes. Step 2. Data transformation. After connecting to the data, you might need to clean and transform it to make it suitable for analysis. Power BI provides a built-in query editor where you can perform various data transformation tasks such as filtering, merging, splitting columns, removing duplicates, and more. This step is crucial for preparing the data for analysis. Step 3. Data modeling. In this step, you create a data model that defines the relationships between different tables in your dataset. Power BI's model view allows you to establish relationships, define calculated columns and measures using DAX, data analysis expressions, and organize your data for analysis. Step 4. Creating reports. Once your data is prepared and modeled, you can start creating reports. Power BI offers a drag-and-drop interface where you can add visuals such as tables, charts, maps, and more to create meaningful representations of your data. You can customize these visuals, format them, and arrange them on report pages. Step 5. Publishing to Power BI Service. The Power BI Service is a cloud-based platform where you can publish and share your reports and dashboards with a broader audience. This allows users to access and interact with your reports. Step 6. Creating dashboards. Dashboards are a collection of visuals from multiple reports, all placed on a single canvas. Dashboards provide a high-level overview of key metrics and insights. You can pin visuals from different reports to a dashboard. Step 7. Sharing and collaboration. Once your reports and dashboards are ready, you can share them with others. Power BI offers various sharing options, including sharing via email, embedding reports in websites or applications, and publishing reports to the Power BI service. You can also control access to the data and reports to ensure data security. Step 8. Refreshing data. If your data source is dynamic and changes over time, you can set up scheduled data refresh in Power BI to ensure that your reports and dashboards always show the most up-to-date information. Thank you.